So how do I multiply matrices? Well, matrix multiplication is slightly different from addition. Actually, it's completely different from addition. Remember addition, we would have two matrices. Let's say we have 1, 3, 5, 6, and 2, 6, 4, 8, and here we just add the corresponding elements. So we say 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 6 is 9, 5 and 4 is 9, and 6 and 8 is 14, and we'd be done. That's adding. You just add the corresponding elements. However, when you are multiplying a couple of matrices together, it's not nearly as straightforward as that. Matrix multiplication is more of a row by column times 3, 2, 1, 6. Like that. Let's make that a -6. It's more of a row by column operation. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the rows from matrix A and multiply them by the columns from matrix B. And then we do some addition in between there. So let me show you what I mean. First thing, this is a 2 by 2, and this is a 2 by 2. So since the inner numbers here are the same, we know that our new matrix AB, or A times B, is in fact going to be a 2 by 2, because these are what the 2's are the numbers that are left over. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we need to multiply this 2 times this 3. So this 2 times this 3, so we'll have 2 times 3, and then we add that to 3 times 1. And so that's the first element. Now let's go over here to this second element. Again, row information from matrix A, and this time we're going to go from the column 2 information in B. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply 2 times 2, 2 times 2, and add that to 3 times -6. So looks like I'm going to run out of room. Make that a little bigger. So 3 times -6. And that's a plus sign there. Okay. Now I've taken care of row 1. So now I'm going to do row 2. And this time, this is row 2 in A, and I'm going to multiply row 2 times column 1 in B. So I'm going to have 1 times 3, so that's 1 times 3, and that's plus 4 times 1. And now I am going to take 1, row 2, multiply it by column 2. So 1 times 2 plus 4 times 6. And that's actually 4 times -6. I misspoke, which happens all the time. Okay, so now all I got to do is just add this stuff up. Multiply and add. So 2 times 3, that's 6, plus 3 times 1 is 3. and that's really 9. 2 times 2 is 4, and then this is plus negative 18, which is in fact negative 14. This guy is 3 plus 4, which is 7. And then this guy right here is 2 plus negative 24, which is negative 22. So let's clean that up a little bit. 9, negative 14, 7, negative 22. Okay, that's multiplying two by two matrices.